Welcome to Jen's Daily Dish. Today we're making s'mores bars. Oh yeah, you heard that right. You know, the graham cracker, chocolate, and marshmallow treats you typically have by a campfire. Who needs a campfire? You can have them all to yourself. Share them with many others and make them into bars. Technically, this recipe is called s'mores granola bars, but that makes them sound healthy. I will say there are a lot of oats in this recipe, which kind of does make it healthy, and so you can have more than one bar, or maybe the whole tray of bars. They will be that good. Have I made this before? You know, of course not. So we're going to be making it together. And we're also making it because s'mores in the summer, marshmallow chocolate time. We fell in love and we made them all mine. Yeah, I'm gonna share them. First things first, get a 9-inch square pan or whatever size pan you have and lightly grease it, or you can wrap it with parchment paper, which is what I'm doing because it'll make it easier to lift the bars out of the pan. Head to your stove where we're gonna make that graham cracker-ish with oats crust. Set over medium heat. You can use a large pot or a medium saucepan. 6 tablespoons unsalted butter. 1/4 cup light brown sugar. 6 tablespoons golden syrup, maple syrup, or dark corn syrup going in. Stir until the sugar has dissolved. Stir in 2 1/4 cups of old-fashioned oats. 1/2 cup all-purpose flour. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1 cup graham cracker crumbs. It's about 6 bars of graham crackers. Stir together. Put slightly more than half in the bottom. Press it down. While your crust is cooling, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Add 1 cup of chocolate chips. The choice is yours. These are semi-sweet. Now for the marshmallows. These mini marshmallows, this is about 3½ cups, which is about half a bag. Layer on that remaining balance that you have of the crust as evenly as possible. Into the oven for 15 to 20 minutes until the crust is light gold and those marshmallows are puffed up and lightly browned. Time's up and they smell so good. Let them cool for 20 minutes and then we're going to cut them in bars and eat them. Time's up, let's move it. Ooh, ooey and gooey, delicious. It has cooled down and now I'm going to cut them. Inspection time. They are still warm and ooey gooey with the marshmallow and the chocolate and that graham cracker crust with the oats in it too, which makes it healthy. Look at that. You can see the crust at the bottom and the crust on top and the chocolate and the marshmallow in the middle. Only one thing left to do. Oh, alas. I'll need to take a bite. I do not miss the campfire because I have my s'mores treat right here. Oh, yes, I do. got that sweetness from the chocolate, and the marshmallows are chewy and lightly browned, and that crisp crust gives it that crunch that you would get from the graham crackers at that bonfire. These are heavenly delicious. And I better stay quiet because other people in my house will hear me talk about them. So, shh, you didn't hear it from me. These are delicious. If I can make these s'mores bars for the first time with you, you can too. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share with your family and friends, and check me out on Instagram at Jen's Daily Dish and more. I'm going for so many more. I'm going for s'mores.